On your right is, as you can see, is a IKEA. Okay. Then go underpass. Go straight underpass. Just go straight. After the underpass, you can see at the signboard there, the club. Still go straight. Go straight. And you can see a signboard, Dunia Ceramic. Go straight again. Okay, after you see Dunia Ceramic, on your left you can see a very small entrance. Showing is the club. Okay, remember this entrance. The club. Then you will be down. Then you turn to the left hand side. You can see also one signboard, the club. Right? You turn to the left hand side. And take the ticket.